Are you looking for the best toaster oven? In this video we will look at some of the best toaster oven on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Panasonic Flash Express Oven. The Panasonic Flash Express Compact Toaster Oven is great for use in smaller kitchens. It would make a good gift for college students or anyone living in an apartment or small home where counter space is limited. This compact toaster oven from Panasonic has many features that allow you to use it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It uses double infrared heating to cook your food in little time. Can be used for breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner. Preset functions allow you to cook or toast your food with the touch of a button. Crumb tray can be removed for easy cleanup. This double infrared toaster oven is versatile and easy to use. It features manual settings and preset cooking functions for popular foods. The tray slides out for easy access to your food. At number 2, Cuisinart Top Toaster Oven. The Cuisinart Top 260N1 Chef's Convection Toaster Oven has a stylish stainless steel finish, so it looks great sitting on your countertop. This toaster oven has a sleek design with simple controls. This toaster oven from Cuisinart has a larger capacity than many, so you can cook more foods and larger quantities of food when compared to other toaster ovens. Has 15 cooking functions, allows you to see the cooking time on the digital control panel, made of BPA-free materials for safety. This toaster oven from Cuisinart is designed to make toasting and cooking other foods easy. It has a digital panel and includes 15 cooking functions to toast bread, cook pizza, bake, and much more. At number 3, Black Plus Decker Toaster Oven. The Black Plus Decker Extra Wide Crisp End Back Toaster Oven can also be used as an air fryer. This versatile appliance has so many uses for meals throughout the day to help you save time and effort in the kitchen. This toaster oven from Black Plus Decker has a stainless steel finish that wipes clean easily. It's one of the more affordable options available when compared to other toaster ovens. Has simple manual controls so you can adjust the cooking time and temperature. Extra wide design means you can reheat or toast more food at once. Includes 5 cooking functions. This budget-friendly toaster oven would make a good option for small kitchens or dorms where you don't have a lot of space for many appliances. It can be used to toast, air fry, bake, and more. At number 4, Breville The Compact Smart Oven. The Breville Compact Smart Oven is small in size but has many features that make it versatile for any kitchen. It works especially well in kitchens where counter space is limited. This compact toaster oven from Breville has a stainless steel finish so you can wipe it clean as needed. It has an intelligent design that transfers heat quickly and efficiently to save time when cooking your favorite foods. Can cook a pizza up to 12 inches in diameter. Designed to calculate the best time and temperature based on what you're cooking. Has 4 quartz heating elements for even heat distribution. This compact toaster oven from Breville can be used to cook and toast many different foods. It can also be used to bake. The oven has manual controls and preset cooking functions. At number 5, Black Plus Decker Toaster Oven. This toaster oven from Black Plus Decker is extra wide when compared to many other options. It takes up more space for use but allows you to cook larger quantities of food at one time. The Black Plus Decker Toaster Oven is also budget-friendly and easy to use. It has manual controls so you can adjust the settings for the food you're cooking. Lower priced than many other toaster ovens, has a sleek black and stainless steel finish. Larger capacity means you can cook more food in less time. This extra wide toaster oven from Black Plus Decker can cook a pizza up to 12 inches in size. It can also be used to bake, broil, and toast. The manual controls make it easy to choose the best settings for your food. So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.